Do you feel stuck in your home? Listen, there are a lot of people out there who are in a house they may otherwise have been ready to move on from, but you've got that 2 point something interest rate and you're thinking to yourself, they can have my mortgage when they pry it out of my cold, dead hands. If that's you and you feel like I just can't get out of this place because of this rate, you actually might have some options. Here are a few things that I've seen people doing. One is, listen, if you have that 2 point or 3 point something mortgage, there's a pretty good chance that you could move out of your home, bring a renter in, and probably cash flow because your monthly payment is so low because your mortgage has such a small interest rate. You could do that and then go rent the sort of home that you want to be in the place that you want to be in, and take a year or two to kind of figure out what your long-term plan is. Or I've seen other people, they'll move out, they'll bring in a renter and buy a new place. Now, they're going to have to buy it usually with a much smaller down payment because they're leaving so much equity in that first home. But there are so many great options with loan products now that can allow you to get into a place with a much smaller down payment. Now, of course, your monthly payment's going to be higher, but it just may be the case that you can use that cash flow from your old home in order to offset the difference in cost. Or you move into a multi-unit place, or you buy a home with an ADU on it, which, by the way, is about to become a lot easier in the state of Colorado. New reel coming on that one soon. So that you can use that to supplement the cost and try to come out with about the same payment you might have had otherwise. Or if you work from home, you can claim some of the square footage on that new home as a workplace, and it becomes a write-off to make that mortgage a little more palatable. Here's the thing, though. What's most important is if you are feeling stuck, like you can't get out, you can. You do have some options as long as you're talking to the right people. So listen, if any of that's resonating with you, if you've thought, gosh, is there any way that I could move on from this place without having to give up this incredible mortgage? Shoot me a direct message. I would love to sit through and kind of work out what your options might be.